Wow, 27 and 25 on the GPS. That is crazy, man. Hello guys, Jose here, and I'm back again with another e-bike video. But you know what I noticed? That all these e-bikes that I have reviewed, they're almost the same, except for a few things. Let me show you what I have. So this is a new Terra by FahrBike. Yes, another new e-bike brand in the market. I've never heard of this brand before, but they contacted me and say, Jolster, we like your videos. We like you to feature our brand new bike. This is a cruiser bike in your channel. So this is a 26-inch fat tires, 26-inch by 4. These are tires made by Kenda. These are the Crusade. They are 30 TPI casing wire bead, puncture resistant tire casing. So yes, it is puncture resistant, which is a big plus for me, because you don't have to worry too much about getting a flat tire, which is not ideal. All right, so let's start with this bike. First of all, this is a 750 watt motor, 750 watt motor, and 80 nanometers of torque, which is not bad. And I'm going to show you in just a little bit how powerful this bike is. I was very surprised because, like I said, I tested so many of these same bikes with the same motor, and not all of them have the same power. This is very torquey. I like it. This is an 8-speed cassette made by Shimano with a Serra derailleur right over here. I like this already. It works very well. I like that it's 8-speed. It has more, gives you more options, more torque, and I also love the way this is done. It's very intuitive with just the press of a finger or the thumb. We have the bell right here. I like how I made that transition right from the motor all the way to the handlebars right here. So let's jump into the handlebars real quick. So first of all, these are very grippy handlebars, and I like that it has this hand stop right here, like a hand rest. I like it. Love the handlebars. Very simple but very grippy as well. It has the bell right over here. The brakes, these are hydraulic brakes. I mean, for the price that you're paying for this bike, these brakes are actually very good. I'm going to show you in the video in just a little bit how good these brakes are. So over here, let's go to the other side. So we have the throttle. This is a thumb throttle, which I like it. I usually have the twist throttle on this other side on the right, but this bike has it on the left, which is nice. I like this. It's easy, it's simple to use. I like it. You turn on the bike by pressing the power button right here, and then we have the display. Now there's one thing with the display, it doesn't show the speed. The speedometer doesn't work for some reason. I contacted FahrBike about it. They sent me another kit so I can replace it. I haven't done it because it's a lot of work. It seems like it's a lot of work to do this, but they were actually really helpful if I wanted to send the bike back or just wanted to replace it. So for right now, for the video, what I did is I used my phone. I put my phone right here so I can see the speed, and then in the middle of the video you're going to see that the speedometer actually work for a little bit. But that is the only downside for right now. The rest of the bike is actually pretty awesome. Like I said, on this other side we have the other brake. I believe this is the rear brakes, and they're both hydraulics, which are super cool. Then we have the battery is inside the housing, which is something that I like about bikes. I don't like the bike showing off. This is facing downwards, and then we have the lock key right here. This is to release the battery. This is a 48 volt 15 amp power battery, very strong. It is ready to go up to 60 miles per charge, but obviously that is going to be on the lowest passenger assistance setting. If you're going to use about the level 3 on this bike, has a lot of power. You're probably going to drain the battery much faster, that is for sure. But regardless, if it usually says 60 miles per range per charge, usually means about half, because it really depends a lot on how you ride the bike, the weight, if you're going uphill, downhill. It depends on a lot of situations. So I usually go by half of that. Over here we have a rear tail light. Let me turn on the tail light. Show you. Turn it on. We press up. There you go. Headlight. Tail light is on. There you go. There it is. Nice. Let's go check out the headlight real quick. There it is. It's actually pretty bright. I'm surprised. This is small LED headlights are very bright, very useful. Now I noticed that this bike didn't come with a front fender. For some reason I didn't see the front fender, which is really odd because in the pictures it shows that it comes with a front fender. I'm pretty sure it does, but this one didn't. It does have front fork suspension, which is adjustable and lockable. You can lock it as well, but it helps with the ride. Really good riding experience. My only complaint right now is the seat. This is not a very comfortable seat, but it's easy to replace. But overall, the riding experience is pretty good. It does come with a rear fender and also a rear rack, which is super useful. It says right here, maximum 25 kilogramos, which is not bad. Yes, so it also comes with a little water holder right over here. This is another option. And the battery, you can charge it either here on the bike, or you can just remove the battery, which is really nice option. Sometimes you don't have the space to charge it. You can obviously take it off on the bike. So that's about the bike. Let's take it for a spin and I'll show you more about it. All right guys, so I'm ready to roll with this bike, the FahrBike. Let's see how we do this. Let's see how it performs without any battery power. So this is without any passenger assistant. You can do this, but I can tell you right now that it's a very heavy bike. It feels you gotta do some workout. Now let's try it with power. Let's try passenger level 1. Let's see what happens. Oh wow. So right away you can feel that power kicking in. So this bike has a lot of torque, very torquey. So right now I'm going 10 miles per hour. Let's do passenger assistant level 2. Oh, there it is. Oh wow. This bike has a lot of torque. I'm gonna have to change gear so I can keep up. It's gear number 6. Has 8 different gears. So right now I'm going 16 miles per hour. Passenger system level 3. 17, 18, 20 miles per hour. Very, very powerful bike. Passenger system level 4. Wow, I can feel that difference. 24 miles per hour. Between 23 and 24 miles per hour. Level 5. 25 miles per hour. Whoa. The speedometer works now. 25. See if I can go any faster. It is working now. I guess it needed that extra power. Wow, 27 and 25 on the GPS. That is crazy, man. Let's see what the top speed with throttle only. Oh, the speedometer works now. Perfect. It wasn't working earlier. So throttle only is going 18 miles per hour already. Wow, that's pretty quick. Super quick. 23, 24. So it's about a mile difference between the GPS and the speedometer. 25, 26. Wow, that is the throttle only, guys. Jesus, this bike has a lot of power. This is a class 3 for sure. Now, one thing I don't understand about all these bikes is, like, for example, they're using the same motor, 750 watt. They're using almost the same battery, which is a 48 volt. And only a few bikes are able to go over 22 miles per hour. This is one of them. I truly enjoy this kind of bikes when they have a lot of power. It's just because I'm a big dude, 240 pounds. So I need that extra power, especially when going uphill. I'm gonna do the uphill test, of course. So another thing I wanted to talk about is comfort. This bike has front fork suspension, which is very helpful. It does help a lot, especially when you're riding off-road or when you're going into bumpy areas. It's really good. I like it. But it doesn't have rear suspension, and the seat is not that comfortable, the seat. So my suggestion will be to add a better seat, which I'm going to do. I'm going to change the seat right away. But overall, the comfort is very similar to the other bikes. It's okay to going on the road. It's really good. But off-road, it depends. If you change the seat, it's going to be better. But overall, I'll give this a 7 out of 10 when it comes down to comfort. All right, I'm gonna go to the hill climbing test, and this is where I go to climb this hill right here. And I'm gonna put the camera, and we're gonna go. Let's try passenger level 2 right now. A little bit of momentum. I was in gear level 6, passenger level 3. I'm gonna lower the gear to level 5, and it's going 7 miles per hour. Not bad. I don't have to push a lot. There's not a lot of effort that I'm doing, to be honest. This is really good. Really good. Another hill climbing test is going on that bridge. This is a pretty tough one because I gotta keep the speed and I also gotta turn. But look at this. Super comfortable. Even though I'm going on gear 7, I was able to do this without much effort. Very nice, I like this. Gonna cross the bridge, then we're gonna do a hill climb brake test. We're still going uphill right now. We're still going uphill. We're gonna get some speed right here. Almost 30 miles per hour sometimes. Let's go fast. 26, 29, 30 miles per hour. Oh my God. Look at those brakes. No noise at all. Super strong brakes. Oh my God. Easy. Going downhill 30 miles per hour, be able to stop in just a few seconds. Absolutely love this. Let's go. Here we go. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun.